Hello everybody and welcome back to us here at IH Motorhomes. We've got a pop top today and it's a pop top on the Ford Transit chassis. This one's built by the guys at Wellhouse over in Barnsley, and this is the Wellhouse Terrier 2. Travels with 5, so there's 5 seat belts in this one, and it's got a bed for 2. There is space in that pop top, but when this was built, that additional deck has not been included. That may be something you're able to do at a later date. But right now, let's get around this little Terrier and see what it's got that might work for you. So you get a little bit more feeling of space because we've got a bit more width than this Ford Transit chassis, certainly against the VW Transporters. With the pop top up, you can walk about in here and I'm not banging my head, which is a novelty. This converts into a nice big bed at the back. In the kitchen, the setup is a little fridge with an ice box, a couple of gas burners. We've even got a small grill here as well. Now, what's a bit different about this one is the space for a little portaloo. So it's a day van, but with those facilities if you need it. Both captain's chairs are on the swivels, armrests in each one, and this one's on the manual box. Now, it's one owner. They've done about 16,500 miles in this, and it's got a full service history. The extras and attention to detail that's been put into this by the guys at Wellhouse make this a starter van for someone, or a next setup van with that portaloo with these extra little kitchen bits in here as well. This will allow you to be a daily driver, allow you to get to the coast at the weekend, or stay for extended stays, whether you're on or off site. So it's a really nice little spec on this Terrier. You start up in the cab, heated seats for the passenger and for the driver. Extendable step on the outside, making access that bit simpler, and it's great with a grab handle here if we are struggling to get in and out of the vehicle. That with the step is a great assistance. Awning along the side. Now this is 5 meters, or it's 4.98, so just under 5 meters. A really good base vehicle with that multi-functioning bed. It allows you to use all of the cargo bay if we're using this for everyday use. And when we are using it for camping, for sleeping in, you can move that seat into the bed position. So that multi-function area there just means it's not just a day van, it's not just a camper. This could be used 365 days a year for whatever you need a van for, plus the bonus being able to sleep in it and go away on your little adventures. 39,995. That gives you a year's road fund license, new engine service, new habitation service, our excellent handover, and we'll even put some fuel in it for you to get past the gate post. This Terrier is a great starter vehicle. If you're interested in day camping, if you're interested in something that can be a daily driver for weekends away, this might be the one to come in and take a look at here at IH Motorhomes.